A new ordinance addressing homelessness is set to take effect in Leon Valley.
It bans panhandling, sleeping in a public space, even living out of a vehicle. KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita was at tonight's meeting. And Hannah, this law received some pushback, but council members made some changes before passing it.
Henry, there was a change to the language, and one section was taken out entirely. But first, let's talk about what started this. City leaders say that they're getting a growing number of complaints from residents and business owners about homeless encampments. And Leon Valley has also had some recent fires believed to have been sparked by transient people living on vacant properties. In this amendment to the city's code violations, it was brought to City Council last month. Now, the original draft made it illegal to sleep in public spaces or to camp on private property without permission from the property owner. It would also ban living out of a vehicle and panhandling. It prohibits sitting on any sidewalk, street, highway, or park in a manner that, quote, obstructs free use of passage by the public. It went even further than that, though, by making it illegal to simply be annoying. Tonight, one council member and resident criticized the ordinance for being too broad.
Are police officers now enabled to enter my property, cross my fence, and ask somebody on my property whether or not they have written or express permission? That's a Fourth Amendment violation.
Who is to say what is harassing and what is not? What if I have a sign that says something that somebody doesn't like? You know, like, why is it necessary? And then how could it, like, it just seems like it's ripe for abuse.
The council agreed to remove the section that bans people from camping or lodging on private property, and they also changed the word annoying to harassing when describing situations where officers can get involved. City leaders pointed out, though, a lot of these laws already exist. Disorderly conduct, for example, and even living in a camper is unlawful. Supporters said it will be a housing-first approach where people experiencing homelessness are offered resources outside of the city through nonprofit partnerships like Haven for Hope.
There is no way that Leon Valley can handle this by ourselves. We don't have the room. We're not going to go buy a hotel. We're not going to install people. We don't have mental health workers. We don't have a hospital. We have nothing.
Taking a hands-off approach to homelessness is not compassionate or progressive. It's dangerous and inhumane. And so I think that this is the right thing to do, trying to help people as well as protect the community.
Now, what wasn't discussed tonight were the penalties for people who violate this new ordinance. Council members who passed the ordinance said they will first offer to get people help through existing programming outside of the city. Now, if that person refuses, they will be told to leave. If the person still doesn't leave, that's when law enforcement can enforce this new law. We're live in Leon Valley tonight. Hannah Tita, KENS 5.
Thank you, Hannah.